it should be able to push down like an 8 or a 10 inch and take the roots out.
Oh yeah.
I don't plan on doing a lot of that.
But at least if you need to, it's...
Like I said, like if you push it over with the machine, then all it's good for is firewood.
Right.
But if you get the skid steer with the fellow buncher, then you can cut the tree off. There's no stress to the wood.
Yeah.
You can actually mill that way.
Right. That sounds like a very cool project though.
It will be. My friends think I'm crazy. And I watch these guys, they retire. And they probably age 5 years for every year that they're not working. So you got to keep your mind and your body active. I figure this will keep my mind and my body active. If I get too old where I just can't cut the mustard anymore, I can still lick the jar it came from.
100%. I was going to say you can find a way to stay involved. And
so I can hire somebody and supervise or manage, get the job done. That 8.0 is probably too big, I think. Yeah. Whereas this one might actually be too small. I know a lot of people like the 5.7, but they picked this one because the weight on the back of a truck and trailer for the DOT, and they picked this one because of the 6-way blade.
Okay.
I think the 5.7 is probably the answer.
You want to hop in?
I certainly do, but I want to take a boo around this one too. This one would be very sturdy, like it's got the nice wide tracks on the hills and things like that. But I think that with the size of it, it would be too big for clearing out silver pasture.
Yeah, I mean it is a wicked machine. What it comes down to is just what do you need size wise.
Now all of the grease joints are up here.
You got it. Yeah. So
there's one.
I'll take it. Yeah. So then.
There's one on the other side of the pin?
Yeah, so there's one there for the bucket.
Okay, yeah. There should be one there.
Then we got
one here.
Yep, and then we got up here.
One up there.
One up there. Kind of one every little hinge.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so...
Not that difficult.
No, they're all pretty easy.
If you've ever greased before,
yep,
you kind of get the idea.
Yeah, I've only done the skid steers, but I mean, it's pretty... Actually, no, I did do one of the smaller, it was a U17, but same thing.
Now the tracks, how often do the tracks come off?
Like, need to be replaced?
Well, slide off and then have to be put back on. I know that the amount of grease in there kind of tightens them up.
Yeah.
But I don't know how hard they are to get on and off.
Yeah, I think it all depends on how rough you're running the machine. I
think she's going to work.
Yeah, like I don't think they're going to just like come off willy-nilly. I can ask.
See, this is a good test for any brand of equipment, because in Nova Scotia this machine would run 6 to 8 hours a day.
Right.
So I mean that's a pretty good test of the quality and how many belts and how many tracks and how many everything you're going to go through, right?
100%. It's not like they're needing me, they come off all the time.
Right.
I can bug both my sales manager and I'll bug one of the techs and see if they have an idea of how often they hear about that issue coming up.
Yeah.
But yeah, I haven't heard of it as a major concern. So.
I just thought I'd attack that.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
This is how you go forward and backward and control the tracks, is that correct?
So that's, that'll be your forward back, and then you're going to be running your bucket off of there.
This is the bucket, and this is the arm?
You got it.
Okay, and this is?
That'll be your, that'll run the
blade.
The blade on the front, yeah.
Okay, yeah. You know, I've never driven an excavator. Like I said, I've never ever sat inside one.
They're pretty, I know with...
and I know I love driving front end loader. I think that it'd take me about 5 minutes to catch on to this.
Yeah, as soon as you get a hang of the,
couple hours, I think I'd be smooth with it.
Yeah, you'd be an expert within a couple hours. I think this one is touch start.
I don't know.
There's a key, so you should be able to go...
Okay, warning's on.
So let's go, we'll just press it a little bit. Oh. Okay, there.
Okay, the warning's off. No, it's on. I see, okay.
I know on the U55s it just pops up where...
Should come up with a code, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it's not coming. I don't know what's going on. Mind if I just jump in?
Yep, no, it went off again. One of the things that they mentioned was to watch the seals around the window.
Oh yeah.
Is that a problem where they leak, or?
I mean, keep an eye out. I haven't, once again, heard of any issues or been, none of the techs or anyone's heard many complaints about them. I will ask. I mean, I love all these questions because it gives you a little bit of peace of mind.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been here 5 months.
Okay.
So one of the newer guys. I was just gonna say, wicked thing about Kubota. Most of our stuff has the slide windows, so especially wicked with the skid steers. And with all the other ones, it just code pops up. Oh, there we go. That's why.
Oh, turn the key?
Yeah, I gotta just turn it to the start. There we go. Hiding underneath. There we go. That down to start it. There we go. So pretty straightforward. Like I said, this will move you forward and back. It's gonna move your blade.
Yeah, is that one actually a 6-way blade or?
This one will be no. This one isn't a 6 one.
And when you stop, you always put your boom down?
Yes, and then...
So it's easier on the hydraulics?
Actually, one of the techs told me you should always have, when you put it down,
yeah,
the arm should be perpendicular to the ground.
Okay.
So like that one there, the other one, well,
it's kind of stretched
that
out,
one's
yeah.
off the ground. That should be off the ground. That's not very good for it.
Well, the hydraulics will actually leak out over time.
Yeah.
And that will hit the ground anyway.
Try to get an idea.
Now that front part swings up as well, right?
Yeah.
There you go, yeah. That's what I was thinking, okay. Cool.
Yeah, so here, I'll let you, if you want to hop up.
Sure, I'll pop up for a sec and take a look. And
give her a go. So even if you want to move her a little bit.
I'm not confident. Oh yeah. So how do you operate the out swing there? You just... Oh, I see, okay. So that's you're out and you're in.
Yeah.
And how do you dump your bucket? Do you hold this?
So you would control it from, I believe it's one of those ones.
Okay, there's your horn.
Yeah, that'll...
Oh, that's your...
Yeah, you go left or right, it should. So that would engage that. That engages your hydraulics if you need it for anything like that. And then yeah, you should be able to just tilt and dump your bucket.
Ah, it's actually recording now.
There we go.
Could we do that again?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah, if you want to check it out in there.
Your oil filters there.
Yeah, everything's pretty easily accessible. Which is nice about the Kubotas. Yeah, he's pretty easy to maintain.
Well, I'll tell you what, they're certainly popular down east. You didn't give me the price on it, or the 5.7.
Yeah,
but
I'll grab that for you.
But I'll tell you what, I'm pretty confident that you're going to have a better price than some of the other brands.
Well, I know at least. Well, I know you compare it to. You want to compare to the John Deere and.
Oh, I see. Okay, you gotta have the.
One of these ones. Oh, the key for it.
There's a compartment here makes it easier
Yeah.
to access certain things.
100%.
What's in there? Your air filter and stuff, or?
I actually don't know exactly what's in this one. They're all a little different, but yeah, that'll be, I think.
So I'm taking it that you have not actually operated one of these in the field too much.
I haven't. No, I've only driven them around the yard and kind of back and forth. I mean, there's not much to them. They're pretty straightforward. I've driven the, I guess it'd be the U17 equivalent.
Right. Now, does this open? There's your radiator.
Yeah. Well, this will open up as well.
Oh, okay. So that's another lock.
Yeah. So it'll.
Okay.
Yeah, everything, like I said, is pretty.
Just want to see where. I don't know where you grease these. Do you have to take anything off to grease them?
I shouldn't have to.
I don't see anywhere. Oh, I bet you it's right. No? I bet you it's there. I bet you it's there.
Yeah.
I bet you removed this, and I bet you
Yeah, you
that's.
just gotta, that's what I'm thinking. To take the bolts off, and then.
I'm betting just that one.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
What is this one for? Just to rest your foot?
I wonder if that is. I don't know.
I don't think it does anything.
Oh, the boom swing.
Oh.
So I'll just move it left and right.
So if I just want to, instead of using this,
Yeah.
that's weird.
It just gives you the option. I've never used them, but I guess it's just a nice feature for you.
That's okay. So I should be able to just start it, right?
I think so.
Well, put it there.
Yeah. And we'll make.
Enter password.
Yeah, you can click whatever that. There you go.
Preheating.
You should be good to fire up. Oh, you'll have to.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
There you go. Now you should be able to.
Oop, that lifted me off a little bit. And you said this one lifts it, right? Or, yeah, okay. We won't take out that fence. Yeah, after driving the front end loader, this is pretty basic.
Yeah.
And to think of all the times that I've looked at a job application and it said, must have excavator experience, I bet you I'd master this in a couple hours.
Like really, like I said, once your muscle memory with your controls.
Skid steer, like if I got into a skid steer today, I'd be starting from zero, eh?
Oh,
But the front end loader,
I would say even like the Kubota skid steers,
yeah.
it's like this. 15 minutes and I'd put you in the pro. Like you'd figure out no problem. We do mostly. Oh yeah.
I lucked out today that you're not that busy, and you've been extremely nice to me. I appreciate that.
I'm happy to.
You want to lock this?
No, that's okay. Yeah, we'll. Yeah, let's see if the 5.7's back there, just so you can take a peek at that one firsthand.
I would like to take a peek at that. Did you have the skid steer out here?
Yeah, we've got. Actually, We've got one on the way we can look at.
Okay, yep. The only thing I really want to see is like the engine compartment.
Okay.
And how much bigger the cab is. For what I'm doing, I think that's a better machine for my project. It's not as big as the 80. It's bigger than the 40.
Yeah, it was sitting right here.
If you get one in, you should maybe give me a call. I'll come back
Absolutely.
out.